guys, how are you? In this video today I'm going to review Aroma Essentials Neem face wash. This is how this face wash looks like. I know it looks like a medicine bottle, but that's how this face wash comes. And as you can see, I have already finished like half of it, and just half of it is left. I came to know about Aroma Essentials through Instagram, and since this brand deals in only organic products, I was so excited because I myself is like true believer in organic products. I really like to invest in organic products, so I thought that why don't I try this brand. And this face wash is not a typical kind of face wash. This is a very different face wash like I have ever used till date, because this face wash, what I personally feel, is what actual neem they have taken, and they have mixed aloe vera gel and charcoal to make this paste. This is a thick paste. If you squeeze out a little, if you want to squeeze out a little, it pours like a paste. It is not a gel or a normal face wash. So it is, yes, it is actual neem paste, if I can say. I was really excited to try out this face wash because it has my favorite ingredient, neem, in it. Neem is undoubtedly my favorite ingredient. Like, providing my oily skin, I need antibacterial like neem to keep my skin acne free, keep my skin like matte. So yes, I'm a true lover of neem. This Aroma Essentials Neem face wash comes in a sleek this plastic bottle. Since it's a thick formulation, so I think that's why they have like packed it in like plastic bottle. This is a very travel friendly bottle. You can easily like carry it in your travel bag. So yeah, packaging wise it's fine. And yes, it comes with a flip open cap. And once, if you find it very difficult, since I find it very difficult to use this flip open cap because of thick formulation, the face wash doesn't come out, so I open it and then I use this. And again, it comes with a stopper, so that's great. So it has made sure that this product doesn't spill in your bag, so that way I'm really happy with the packaging. The other thing is that this is a very lightweight bottle. I think this weighs for, I don't know how many grams, they haven't mentioned on the bottle. This is like really less quantity. This neem Aroma Essentials Neem face wash is actually suitable for acne prone skin and oily skin. So this is like highly recommended for oily skin people like me. This contains neem extracts, aloe vera and charcoal activated. It functions like it is a deep pore cleanser with antibacterial properties. And directions for use: wet face, apply 1 gram cleanser, massage all over face and rinse with water. It has to be used too. That's what the brand says about it. Now I will tell you what I have to say about this product. Number one, this is not a typical face wash. When I say it's not a typical face wash, it means that it doesn't form any lather. Like, suppose you take any face wash on this earth, like Garnier or anywhere, like when they claim that they have neem, tulsi ingredients in them, they still form like lather when you like apply that face wash on your face. So this doesn't form lather because this is a thick organic paste. So it feels like a paste when you take out, and it smells like it has that medicinal herbal smell. I mean, I don't mind it because I do not have sensitive nose. So if you have sensitive nose, then it might be a little too much for you. So yeah, that's one thing. Suppose you are coming after a long tiring day, like you're coming back from your office, you have like struggle among the traffic, so you can, I would recommend that don't use this face wash after that, because you will not feel that kind of satisfaction which normally a lather forming face wash gives to you. I prefer using a lather forming face wash after a long tiring day, because that cleanses my skin really well, like that removes dirt. I feel that this is not very effective in removing any kind of dirt. This just cleanses your skin so that your skin stays acne free. Like, I remember when I started using this face wash, I had little pimples like over here, 2 pimples here, 1 pimple over here. This was effective in reducing the size of pimple like within 2 wash. with it, and I was using this face wash in the night before I went to sleep. So I do not apply any kind of cream or moisturizer before I go to sleep these days, because it's really hot and humid, and you know my oily skin, so you can understand, like from oily people perspective. So yes, so I was using this face wash like just before I go to sleep, and so overnight it gave my skin a good transformation. Like my acne skin became like acne less. So the acne on my skin reduced its size. The pimple became like really small, and I was really happy with the results. And yeah, this product is free of any kind of artificial fragrance. This is dermatologically tested, and this is free of any kind of chemicals. So if you are someone who really like organic products, then only I would recommend you to invest in it. Because if you are looking for similar kind of satisfaction, like any face wash like Garnier or Himalaya or any face wash gives you, this will not give you that kind of satisfaction. But yes, I will promise that this will give you good results, like on your skin. Your skin can like stay acne free. Like ever since I started using this face wash, I didn't got any new pimple, and right now if you can see, my skin is really clear of any kind of pimples. So yes, I'm really happy with this product. And yes, this is priced at rupees 175. So if you're looking for a product that can give you acne free skin, organic product, then invest in this or Aroma Essentials face wash. This is really effective, and I'm sure you will not regret buying this product. And yeah, overall if I have to rate it, I will rate it like 4 out of 5. I hope that this review was helpful. If you guys have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me, please. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.